Okay, y'all, this is my first time vlogging this week. It is so cold outside. I just finished my last class. Then I went and got some Chipotle because I was hungry and I did not want to go to the caf. And then I got some Starbucks because for some reason I've been like sleeping all day. Well, like between classes, even though I feel like I got like a really good amount of sleep. So, but I really have like a lot of work to do today. So that's why I got the Starbucks so I can stay up and do my work. But I'm like touching my nose because like it's literally so cold. Like, first of all, it was 29 degrees. It was 40 degrees today, and then there's 21 miles per hour wind. So it was 20 degrees. Like, it felt like 20 degrees. And now, since the sun is gone, it's 20 degrees plus the wind. So it's basically like 0 degrees. It's so cold outside. My hand's freezing. You see my nose is still red. It was running because it was so cold. I think my phone dropped to like 6% just because it was that cold outside. Don't quote me on that, but I feel like that's what happened. But yeah, I just want to check in with y'all. I need some sun. I'm a Georgia girl. I'm a Southern girl. What is this? I just want to check in with y'all. I look like I've been through it because I felt like I was walking through the freaking Arctic. But yeah, I'm about to go to the study lounge and get into this homework. So that's all I got to say for now. I just want to tell y'all that it's cold outside. Like, I don't think you can understand unless you're here. Like, this was the worst cold I've ever experienced in my life. So y'all, I got some Chipotle, and I've never gotten chips with my Chipotle until now. And like, what was I doing with my life? Because chips completely elevate the whole bowl. Like, why didn't y'all tell me? I'm confused. Yeah, it's Wednesday and I have 8 a.m. and when I woke up I was in so much pain and I was really gonna take myself to class. Like, I was like, I'm gonna go to class, and I got my clothes on and I got my shoes on and everything, and then I came back over here to the bed and the pain just hit me and I just took my shoes off and got back in bed. I don't really feel bad about it because I was in a lot of pain, but I feel a little bit better now. But my next class is not even until 12, so I'm really hoping that I feel good enough to go to class. Oh, it's bright. But yeah, for now I took that little personal hour because I was not feeling it. Should I have gone to class, y'all? I mean, she puts the notes, like she put the guideline for the notes for her lecture there, like online on Blackboard. So I'm gonna go look it up later and like do all my work and everything. Don't be like me, y'all. Go to class. Okay, y'all, I'm finna go ahead and make my way to this last class. It's the only class I'm going to today, but I drank some tea and I feel better. So I'm gonna go to this class. I look a mess, but I'm not gonna be out there for like an hour, so I kind of don't care, but I can still do it at the same time. But yeah, but that's it. I just want to update y'all. I'm kind of rushing because it's like already 1 o'clock and my class starts at 1:10. I've been late to my classes like lately, which is no bueno. I need to do better and stop being here like rushing, trying to run to my class. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the flip side. I don't know what I'm going to say. I need to find something to eat because I haven't eaten anything yet because I don't want to like irritate my stomach even more. So yeah, we'll see how that happens. I'm trying to get some food after class just so I can have something to eat, even though I don't really have an appetite. But like I said, I'm kind of rushing to this class, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. Hey y'all, so it is the first day of February. I'm just in the 5th floor study lounge, not even the 7th floor. Oh, excuse me, because it took me forever. Like, I really just wanted to be by myself, and someone was literally in all of them. And then in my central lounge, they were like cleaning, so I didn't want to be in there while she's cleaning. I feel like that's rude. So I like took me a long time to find this study lounge all by myself, but I'm just chilling in here before I have class later today. And of course I have my Starbucks. I was joking that I need a gift card for my birthday because like I really was not gonna get Starbucks. I was thinking about it. I was like, should I get Starbucks today? I had some earlier this week, so I was like, I don't need to be spending money on Starbucks 2 times a week, you know what I'm saying? But and then I saw it on somebody's Snapchat, and that's how it always gets me. I'm just like, I see it now, I have to get it. Like I need to do better on that. But anyways, back to the gift card situation. If y'all want to send me a gift card, or anything for my birthday, it's on the 19th of this month. Like I could totally set up a little PO box or something. I mean, y'all could send to my dorm, honestly. I don't know if that's too personal, but shoot, add me on Snapchat, DM me on Twitter, and DM me on Instagram if you want to send a little something, I'll give you the address. But yeah, really, I'm just kind of like getting everything together, getting things I need to do business wise, less school wise. I'm probably gonna do school wise after my class. I need to catch up on some things because of course I missed class yesterday. So yeah, I need to go over some notes and everything. But yeah, I'm just doing the business wise. I have a lot of things that are happening this month, kind of. Because I'm launching something. I'm not saying what yet, but something's gonna be popping up pretty soon, so stay tuned on my social media, probably mostly my Instagram and Snapchat. I will also post it on Twitter, but I just feel like it's probably easier if you have me on Instagram or Snapchat. But yeah, so be on the lookout for that. It's coming really, really soon. And I'm also taking a trip for my birthday, so there's that. I just want to check in with y'all because I don't really be vlogging. Y'all really like my diary sometimes with this vlog stuff. I just be talking to y'all and everybody know what's up, kind of speaking my mind or whatever. So yeah, I don't really know what else I can do today. I only have one class today. Ooh, it's Soul Food Thursday. Definitely need to go to that. I missed it last week. I hope nobody walked past and heard me talking and was like, oh, this girl crazy. But oh well, I'm talking to y'all. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. Y'all are hilarious. Amen. Amen.
Listen, man. Hell no, man. Beyonce. You play, man.
I just want to know.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Probably not. Probably not.
Dang, I just wiped my highlight off of me.
You just wiped your highlight off for you?
I mean, bro, I ain't no gaming.
You're a highlight over here, man. That ain't cool. I ain't with all that.
But I still finna dance tonight, though. You know what I'm saying?
You dance?
You probably gonna have to bleep all this out.
No, fine. I'll put it on top of it. Yeah.
You put a sound effect on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It does that? Like, how do you do that?
You put
Edit it.
Oh.
I could put okay.
Yeah, put okay. Anything that nearly remotely says just put okay on it.
Really? It could do that?
Yeah.
You could do that?
Mm-hmm.
How do you do? That's cool.
Just edit it.
That's cool, man. Like,
Okay.
like, put me on. Put me on.
Bro. Put me on,
on.
bro.
Oh.
Put me on, bro. I saw the bros the other day, and there was this chick, bro, and she was so
Tell me more about this chick, man.
Bro, she was so mellow, bro. Like, it's 2 degrees outside.
2
but she was
degrees?
wearing a tank
Man, that's
top,
cold.
t-shirts, and Crocs, bro.
Crocs,
She's
man.
so wavy, bro.
Like
And I was
Crocs, man?
I want to ride that.
Who wears
wave.
Crocs like a grandma?
Oh no, Crocs are cool, bro. She's so wavy, bro. I want to ride that.
You're crazy, man. You're
wave,
crazy.
bro. I want to ride
Bro!
that. wave.
Crocs, though?
Bro, yeah. Bro, I got Crocs.
Y'all are stupid.
Crocs though, man.
Yeah, bro, you get
Man.
Bro. Yes. You get Crocs.
Crazy, man.
They're at the mall, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
There's a Croc store, bro.
A Croc store.
Yeah, bro, you get Crocs on.
Like a whole store?
Yeah.
Bro!
Bro.
Dude! Bro! Dude! Dude!
Man.
She's crazy, man.
Man, she's not wavy, bro.
She's
not.
crazy.
She's
You
not.
sound like you a smoker. Like you been.
Me?
Yeah.
She's crazy, man.
Bro, you're not wavy.
Wavy? You're not wavy, bro.
Bro, do you
2 degrees outside in his Crocs that she's wearing? Like, bro.
Bro, it's
bro,
Crocs season.
Chill.
It's Crocs.
Chill.
It's Crocs.
Chill.
Crocs
Bro.
season.
Oh, that's not even.
Crocs season.
I feel like
Crocs.
like that hurts my voice. Like
We don't, I'm gonna bleep that name out too, because we don't speak that name in this house.
Not my president, not my problem.
But you're in his city.
Oh,
Dude.
Go, bro.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Him in my suitcase, bro.
We gotta go.
Bro. Bro, take your cardboard box, man. All right, bro. We gotta go.
Go.
What is wrong with Sean?
America, bro.
And scene.
Bro, we're going back to.
With the
TikTok, don't stop.
Do you blow my speakers up?
Tonight.
Gotta wait till the clock comes back around.
She's not flexible, guys. She can't do it.
I can.
Do it.
Do it like you mean it. All the way. Ooh.
Like that.
Ooh. Thanks, bro. I've been practicing for weeks.
I can tell, man. I can tell.
Weeks.
I can tell.
Weeks.
Why not months?
Bro, because I have time, bro.
I literally cannot. Literally.
I'm flying away.
Hi, honey.
I'm flying towards my dreams and aspirations.
What?
I'm flying away.
Flying away?
I'm flying away.
You good?
Come on.
You good? Like it's
We're going to a play, guys, and we're gonna go just a little late.
Just a little.
Just a little late.
actually late.
Yeah, we'll still make it on time, I think.
Yes.
Might be
It's
kind
at
of,
7.
we might
Yes,
be
it's at 7.
walking in as the lights dim, but we'll be there. Did you call the Uber already?
Mhm.
Okay. I didn't even know. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna be like, oh, dang, it's dead out here. I guess 'cause it's early on a Saturday.
Yeah, people
It
are gonna
is
get ready to
early,
go out.
Yeah, it's only 6 o'clock. You go out at like 10.
Yeah, which is ridiculous, but yeah.
It is so cool. What's what?
Salt, probably.
Oh, yeah.
Supposed to,
This is
but who
awkward.
knows?
Ooh, wow. Wow.
Ooh, what was that? Oh, your
My
purse.
purse, yeah.
Your whole purse.
Whole purse, not half of it.
Okay.
I'm getting in the middle, Arnie. No, or
In the mail.
always in the middle. Ooh.
Hello. Oh, sorry. I'm good. How are you?
It is so cold. But we were hungry, so we're gonna get some food. And we were walking over here. I didn't vlog. We was walking over here. I didn't vlog, but these little boys was talking about a red coat, a red coat,
Did you hear what he said? He said it's like, hey, pink leggings. Hey, ashy knees. Did you hear that?
No, I didn't hear me say ashy knees. I had ashy knees for like.
And I was like, how are you gonna try to spit game at a girl and insult her at the same time? Like, what?
I want to know who got ashy knees, because none of us over here.
And he's talking about some triple something.
I gotta get some food. I got a headache. I haven't eaten since like 10 o'clock this morning, y'all. I just ate like snacks after that. And the play was so good. I need to go see more plays. I love seeing plays. I almost cried, I'm not gonna lie.
No, for real. I was at the verge. I was like,
oh my god, like it was powerful. It was what's it called? Familiar. So if y'all in the DC, DMV area, go to
heck yeah. Support Woolly Mammoth Theater.
Support
Familiar.
Right, go support Woolly Mammoth Theater.
Art.
Right, and it
Black art.
yeah, black art, female art. Okay. We ain't here preaching in the past lives. Female.
Black History Month. You know what it is?
All right. Oh, you guys looking at me now. I know. No, I'm self-conscious. He's looking at us. He's looking at us. I know, because I'm recording myself. All right. Now I feel weird. I feel self-conscious now, so I'm gonna stop. Hey guys, I'm looking a little crusty right now because I just came from my 8 a.m. and I usually don't like do anything for my 8 a.m. But I just want to say thank you guys for 500 subscribers. The reason I did not even post a video yesterday, which I hope it does post today, which is Monday, is because I just wanted to get on here and say thank you guys for all the love and support. I really do appreciate everything, and be on the lookout for maybe a little giveaway later. So just make sure you watch all the videos because you don't know when I'm going to announce it. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys and be on the lookout for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, like, comment, subscribe, stay classically you, all that.